Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily send invoice in FreshBooks. First of all, you have to log in into your FreshBooks account, but that goes without saying, so we already logged in. And on the left side are our invoices. We are gonna press the invoices button, and then let's say we want to send this particular invoice by email. So we are about to click on the invoice. There's an overview of the invoice and then more actions on top right corner and send by email. You can just send the invoice to this email, company name, invoice number. All of those are downloaded according to your account. For example, MK Tutorials, sending invoice number 00002, Metking from blah blah blah, sending invoice, and then you can easily send the invoice. You see, this invoice has been sent. But first of all, you have to take into consideration that the email has to be added to the recipient or to the owner of the invoice. So the guy who are you sending it to, sorry. In my case, it's Mike Rocket from Rocket Company, and the email you can easily check or add by clicking on the client and then clicking on his name, for example, on the left side, and then edit client, and then add phone number, and also add his email. Without these steps, you won't be able to send the invoice straight away from your FreshBooks account. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.